Water transport is one that moves on water. For example, a boat with oars. On it, you can swim on the lake or on the river. Powerboat. It has its own engine, which allows it to move through the water very quickly. Yacht. It is larger than a boat, and you can go on a long trip on it. Sailing ship. It has no engine and is propelled by the wind and sails. Motor ship. This is a large ship equipped with an engine. A cruise ship. This ship is simply huge. Several thousand passengers can travel on it. Fishing vessel. These ships go to sea to fish. Ferry. It carries passengers and cars from one coast to another. Tanker. This is a ship that carries a huge amount of cargo over long distances. These are examples of water transport.